G'day everyone, welcome to the channel. Merry Christmas from here in Melbourne, Australia. And we've got a KONTOSOUVLI going on, which is a rotisserie spit. And basically we've got up to there is lamb and then the rest is chicken. I think it's about 1.5 kilos of meat and 1 kilo of chicken, but I could be wrong. I've just got it on the table here outside the backyard, and I'm drinking my Mythos Beer. How good is that? And it's going to be a warm, cloudless day today of 31 here in Melbourne. And I've just put that on there now, only about 2-3 minutes ago. So it's not quite sizzling just yet. It'll take maybe a couple of hours. I'll probably just hear it sizzling. But I'll continue the video a bit later on and drink my Mythos Beer. Yeah. Cheers everybody and Merry Christmas. Have a safe one. Thank you. Welcome back everyone. Our lamb and chicken on the spit, or KONTOSOUVLI, is about 50 odd minutes in. As you can see, we're starting to get a bit of colour. Chicken as well there, lamb, and I've put 3 corn pieces, corn on the cob, underneath on the barbecue rack. I've just put that, I've actually increased the height of the spit. We're slowly getting there, so they're about 53 minutes in, so it'll probably take another half hour, 40 minutes, slowly cooking. Here we go. Always the best way to check it is just to cut a piece of meat off, or a bit of chicken, check inside if it's cooked or not. But yeah, it's a slow process, but we're getting there. Once again, Merry Christmas, and hope everyone has a safe and happy New Year. Cheers.